Chicken. Chickens are popular farm animals that lay eggs. They are birds, but they cannot fly very far. Male chickens are called roosters. Cow. Cows are very large farm animals. They love to walk around and eat grass all day. Most of our milk and cheese comes from cows. Goat. Goats are very common farm animals. They have horns and little beards. They seem to like to eat almost everything. Horse. Before there were cars and planes, people used to ride on the backs of horses from place to place. Ostrich. Ostriches are extremely large African birds. Although ostriches are birds, they can't fly. They can, however, run very fast. Pig. Pigs are omnivores, which means they will eat almost anything. They are very common farm animals.